What's up, guys? Back here with the Civic. So what I plan on doing today is removing the window tints that it has, because I think they're like cheap. They're like a little bit faded, dull already. The back one as well, and I also need to get them darker. It's not dark enough for what I like. I think they're around, I would say. Let me see what he's inside. I'm gonna go with like a 20% or less, actually. So I've personally never removed window tint. I've seen how they did my Corolla when they took off the tint, and I was like, you know, whatever, I'm bored. Let me try to do it myself, and then, you know, just have the guy retint it. So what I did, I bought, you know, like a steamer from the store. I don't really know how it works, but it's turning on. And I'm just gonna, you know, take it out from this handle so I can steam the window to get the adhesive soft and stuff like that. I think this is just a hook, but I bought that, so I'm letting it warm up now, get hot, so I can get started. And I might also go ahead and take off the visors since they're also faded and ugly. So yeah, just wait for this to get hot up, heated up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift like a corner of the tint with the razor blade, and then I'm gonna start putting steam from the back of it to see if I can rip it off all in one piece. You see there, since they started getting like tacky, I don't really know how the steamer thing works. I just saw it when they did my other car, but like when it gets tacky, you steam it so that the glue releases and gets like easier to work with, I would assume, something along those lines. So I got the tints off. This one here in the front, that's just dirt from the outside, and I got rid of it in the back completely. And this side I'm just missing this little thing that I'm gonna do right now. And then that side, I'm not looking forward to doing the back. So let's see. So what I'm doing, since I couldn't like get the edges with the razor blade, I just cut a slit in the middle, and I'm heating it up so that it gets soft. So let's see if this works good. I plan on doing it like that. See how it's bubbling up in the corner. So I got the whole corner, like the whole edge. So now I just gotta do the same thing to the opposite side, and that'll be done. So I'm gonna just hit it with the steamer again. See, the more I've done, well, this is the third window because I did the other side. It gets easier. So this came out all in one piece. So now I'm just gonna scrape it a little bit, make sure there's no like residue. Like here, there's a little bit of glue, but it should be good. So let's see, this is the part that I'm dreading the most. So let's see if I can do it in one piece. I did all the windows, those are all done. So let's see if I can do this. Maybe a little edge was missed here. I want to be super careful here because of the defrost lines.
Huh? Yeah, I'm here.
Hi, Damien.
I want to see your car.
You want to see my car?
Yeah, I want to see your car.
Okay, later, okay?
No, now.
No, in 5 minutes.
Okay.
I should just remove this now. Then I'm gonna give it a go and see how hard it is. Shouldn't be hard. It was good quality at some point. It's just, you know, what is it? 7. This car's a 07, first owner. He did it in 08. So this is like 12 years old. This wrap on the roof. So let me see if I can get that off. I'm already doing this stuff. But yeah, look, all the windows are done. So he's got to get it retinted. Actually, right now, I'm not gonna remove this. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can really tell. I'll show you. But the residue is staying stuck to the roof, and I don't have time to take all the residue off now, so I'm just gonna put that back right there. And when I have time to take the residue off, then I'll take it off so that it comes out good, because it looks yellow with that residue. So there we go. Got the tints all removed. Looking good. No matter. And the back. I did all the 4 windows with the little pieces, whatever those are called. And I did the rear windshield. Has a little bit of residue from the old tints, but I'll just let the other tint guy, I'll tell him, he'll take it off. But it looks super good. I'm not used to having no tints at all. It's so weird. I forgot to take the little like windshield strip thing off, but that's fine. But next week, hopefully get it retinted and get it looking all good. Cause like I said, these were all faded and ugly. So, and I hate having no tints. It's so weird to me. But thank you for watching. I'm gonna try to keep doing more videos. Like I see, I'm excited for that car. I already have a lot of plans for it. So stay tuned for that. Remember, subscribe. I bought this, whoa, that's hot. Just wait for this to get hot up, heat it up, hot up, heat it up, heat it up. The water is dripping.